Let me tell y'all a story. So recently, I had a woman decide to join my mastermind. I run a mastermind called Million Dollar Badass. And I talked to this woman about a year ago and said, hey, I think you'd be a great fit. You should join this mastermind. Let's grow your business. And she said, let me think about it. And she paused and she hesitated and then she waited and she never reached back out to me and she never joined the program. And then recently we had a conversation and she decided to join. And she told me that she deeply regretted not having joined the year before because she was making even less money than she had made the year before. And she was thinking about all the missed opportunity, all the money on the table that was left because she didn't take action, because she didn't follow that desire and do what she was excited to do and inspired to do, but talked herself out of it. And in that time frame, right, like in that past year, I've had clients hit $400,000, right? They've 4x their income. I've had clients hit $1 million over the last year. I've had clients make hundreds of thousands of dollars in the last 12 months in the mastermind, and partially as a result of the mastermind, right? The training and the strategy and the coaching and the networking and all of the things that are included in that program. This is not a video about my mastermind. This video is about hesitating. Because what we do is we think about all the things that we have to give up when we're thinking about joining a program or, buying a house or taking that new job or anything that we're excited to do, buying the dress, buying the shoes, booking the trip. We hesitate, we pause, and we think, let me think about that. Let me make sure I'm thinking this through. Let me make sure I'm doing what's smart and doing what's prudent, right? And what we're really doing is coming up with all of these arguments and all of these reasons why we can't and why we shouldn't. And why we should not follow our desires, why we should do the exact opposite of that, why we should be more austere and stay out of debt, and not spend money and not spend time and not spend energy. And to that I say to you, think about all of the money and the opportunity that you are leaving on the table when you do that. I think about where I'm at today in my business, running a multi-million-dollar business, and having the opportunities that I have and having done the work that I've done. And I can trace every single moment of major growth back to a moment of risk, right? Where I said, I'm excited about this. I have the desire to do this. It's scary, but I'm going to take the risk, right? So risk is part of the reward, as you all know, right? So don't pause, don't hesitate, okay? Don't let your dream be a dream deferred because it will curl up and dry up and die like a raisin in the sun. Allow yourself the opportunity to follow your desires and actually see your dreams happen. Stop talking yourself out of it. Uncertainty is a part of life and it's fun, okay? It keeps life interesting. It keeps it exciting. And guess what? You can always get a job you hate. You can always move back to a shitty apartment, right? You could always go back home and start over. You can always make more money, but you cannot get back more time. So take that risk, go for it, have some more fun. Stop talking yourself out of your big, exciting dreams. And here's an exercise for you to consider. The next time you are thinking about pausing or hesitating, really ask yourself, what do I have to lose, right? And really create a list, do a journal exercise, actually spend the time to think about what are all the things that could go wrong? What could I lose if I take action on this, if I take this risk, if I go with this uncertainty? And then I want you to write another list. What do you have to lose if you don't go for it? What potential opportunities are you leaving on the table? What money, what time, what excitement, right? What adventure are you leaving on the table if you don't take action? Really consider both of those things because we spend so much time trying to preserve what we have, right? But that comes from scarcity and fear. So I want to invite you not just to preserve, right? But to multiply what you have. And the way that you do that is by taking risks. So don't be a woman who waits. Be a woman who takes action now.